Hello viewers, what is Say Namaste? Say Namaste is an Indian app for video conferencing. Before going to know about Say Namaste, this Indian app, let's see first how we can use Say Namaste, and it is very easy. So you watch this video, you'll be finding that it is the easiest way to do your video conferencing. One thing you have to recall that at the most 50% can be there in a video conferencing. And Say Namaste said that very soon they will be upgrading it up to 100 viewers. So let's start our journey. First, open your Google Chrome browser and type saynamaste.in. Like the screen that I am showing here. This screen will pop up the moment we will type saynamaste.in. Suppose I am the host and I want to conduct the meeting. So I will click on create new meeting. So observe this. Suppose we have clicked on create new meeting. The moment we will click there, so we will get this screen. Here, enter your name. So we will type here our name. Suppose I entered the name Bornali D. Next, we will click on start meeting. The moment we will click on start meeting, this screen will appear where details is given, meeting URL, meeting ID and code. So meeting ID and meeting code is the important thing through which we will join a meeting. As a host, I have to copy this and I will share this to the person with whom I want to conduct the meeting. So it is very easy. Next, I am showing you how can you join a meeting. If you have meeting ID and code, you can join the meeting by the following process. Type saynamaste.in your Google Chrome browser to join existing meeting. We have to click on join existing meeting. We will enter our meeting ID here. We will enter our code here. Then we will click on join meeting. This screen will appear after click on join meeting. So look, I have already connected here, and on the right hand side my name is showing here. This is the room. So as soon as more users will be logged in to the meeting, so their name will be showing below. Now enjoy your video conferencing like this. Now let's know a little bit about Say Namaste. Say Namaste video conferencing app has been developed by Inscripts India Private Limited. Inscripts is a software product development company specializing in real-time communication. Software established in 2009. It is headquartered in Mumbai, India. Say Namaste has currently tested for up to 50 users. They will be adding support for up to 100 users soon. Is there an option for screen sharing? Those who are conducting classes through Zoom or other app, they might be thinking about that. So the answer is yes. Screen sharing is currently available if you access Say Namaste via desktop or laptop on your Google Chrome browser. Mobile users can currently view the screen share but they cannot initiate. Next question is it safe and secure to use? Communication on Say Namaste video conferencing app is encrypted. The company behind Say Namaste InScript is ISO 9001 2015 certified as well as GDPR compliant. All the data transmission is undertaken through servers located in India only. Has Say Namaste been covered by any media outlets? Answer is yes. Please check out its coverage on Republic TV Press, CNN News 18, Hindustan Times, Indian Express, and many others. Now, when you will install the app or any app, whenever we install, so we used to find these are the things that the app needs to access from us. One is needs to access. Calendar is there, photos and media files. So watch this thing carefully. Photos and media files. Here it uses one or more of files on the device such as images, videos or audio. The device's external storage. It also access our Wi-Fi connection information. So remember this thing. Why we prefer Say Namaste is that without installing the app, we can join a meeting the way I had said you. You can conduct a meeting by going to saynamaste.in. So without installing this app, without giving permission to them to access your media files or photos or your videos or even your Wi-Fi connection, you can conduct the meeting. So remember that thing. This is the beautiful thing of Say Namaste. If you want to secure, you can use this without installing the app. Now remember that thing. Whatever the apps, Chinese apps you are using, you have already given permission to use your files, images, videos, whatever is there in your laptop or desktop or your even in your mobile. Everything you have given permission to access them. You have given access them for Wi-Fi connection information also. That's why it is better and safe that we will not install the app. Instead of that, we will go to saynamaste.in. Directly, we will do our meeting or we conduct our meeting. I hope you have enjoyed the video. I will give you information related to new thing later on again. Click on subscribe for auto notification. So whenever I will upload any new video, you will be getting the auto notification in your inbox. Thank you. Bye bye.